True Jamaican vibes, fire Reid. So good morning, my beautiful people. Happy Independence Day. So today I'm in the Calabash Beach area, guys. So I don't know, every year they always have a boat race in the Calabash Beach area. So I'm giving you an update and showing you what go on. So no stick and stay. So I catch some local clippings going on my way. Yes, my beautiful people, and thanks again for stopping by. Yeah, man, see it here. Welcome to Calabash Beach, home of community tourists. Alright, so I go on. Independence Boat Parade August 6. So yes, my people, so I come on my journey. So I take that journey this morning. And so I go on. So it's very early right now. It's about 6:30 in the Calabash Beach area. And also, people them want ocean view, land for sale, ideal for villa or cottage development. Don't know, 25 acres. Contact 876 551 0016. 3 minutes drive to the sea. Let's go, my beautiful people. Giving you a scenic peek at the Calabash Beach estate. Let's give you a front view because at the moment I really cannot go over on the property. So I'm giving you a front view and show you what it looks like. So this is the entrance. Yeah man, sun rise, on the Calabash Beach side. Go straight up. The lots them are up in that area. And so the people them are set up the area. There's some boats here same way. Man, real Jamaican style, How we can't forget our beautiful island Jamaica. Man, the boat them are line up themselves. Morning, bossy. What's the boss up on the race today, too?
Every time.
So you say you win today? Tell the world what one.
Boy, I don't think I mean today.
No, more you tell the world say you win today, no. So it's a parade thing?
Yeah, they don't race.
Huh?
Boat race, a little more, but we don't have a parade like.
So you're not in the race today?
No, we depend on different thing from the boat race,
Oh.
I believe the boat race are there.
Oh, so.
But then it's supposed to have some little boat race out there.
They want boat race.
It come from Billy's Bay side?
Out here too. Out here too.
I don't know where probably can.
Yeah, but we don't confirm it.
You don't confirm?
Yeah.
So.
But I know it at Billy's Bay.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
And me I tour the place and show the people them want to go on.
Yeah, man. Nice thing to do, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice
Anybody you want to big up, you can big up twice the same way. I know you must have somebody you want to big up,
No,
my heart here, me want to big up everybody in the world. Nobody special, brother.
Yes, man. Come on.
That sexy girl that went in Chuchu.
Chuchu.
Big
up yourself.
Big time.
Big up yourself. Big up your pretty lady when they say no.
Thank you.
Manners and respect. Yes, man.
You're gone out the road. Yeah, we have
At Calabash Beach today, Calabash Bay, say Hurricane, Melissa did hit that area. And still go and same way in Jamaica, behind the scenes, same way, every day.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah,
yes,
man.
Thanks.
Manners and respect in that area,
All right.
Yeah, man, show the people they want to go on.
Get ready.
Yeah, man, a nice vibes are going on here. Yeah, man, so the heat is on. You come to Jamaica and have it. You have a drink of Red Stripe there, Quench your thirst. If you don't come to Jamaica and drink a Red Stripe there, it don't make no sense. Yeah, man, so we are relax, have a one drink. Then we go so go on for the boat parade, Yes, my beautiful people. Yeah, man, so the place kind of airy this morning at Calabash Beach, Exact. My location is in the Billy's Bay area. The parade that starts from right now, Billy's Bay. So when you come to Billy's Bay, you need to check out the local spot right here at Billy's Bay. See it here? Man, so you can have breakfast Yeah, man, check out a local spot here. Yeah, man, so be nice things to the people. People line up to go up on the boat ride, you see it? So I go on here. People from all different walks of life is here.
They're from in a Calabash Bay. They got it blocked and then turn on.
I want to see it there. Nice time, you know. St. Elizabeth, guys. So you have a lot of boats. Yeah, man, them are line up for the parade. I tell you. So I go on to my people. We come at Treasure Beach, go enjoy the Treasure Beach life in a Treasure Beach, you know. So you know, say a fire reader show now I go on, big up on yourself. Happy Independence Day again. August 6th. So the swag going out here, you know. Both them are lined up themselves. Come on, see it there. That's a pretty thing, you know. You know, some of vendors same way. Can't come get in the real Jamaican colours. You know, so I bought them and show about them.